Hello from this super amazing and yet wild beach in San Juan, Puerto Rico. Very close to the city center, but not so easily accessible, as I have been walking through down this forest in a very muddy environment, and I have even see some chickens also here that were on the beach. So super wild and nice. I am the only person on this part of the beach, and 500 meters in that direction I see two other people, but nobody in the sea currently. It is 8th of January 2025, day 7 of my cruise expedition, and it's time for beach adventure with Chris from Puerto Rico. Yes, this is the second beach adventure. The first episode was from Playa del Capitolio, and this beach over here is called Playa Puerta de Tierra. Yes, Playa Puerta de Tierra, named after the neighborhood that's right above here, Puerto de Tierra, and very close to the central old town of San Juan. Right, so this beach looks super nice and super amazing, a lot better than Playa del Capitolio, which was quite smaller, but this one looks amazing. And not far away from here, like 1 kilometer, you can find Playa Escambron also, that's a more popular beach. So with that said, it's time for a beach adventure in Puerto Rico. Ay, 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 Puerto Rico. So the beaches in Puerto Rico are a bit different than the previous Caribbean destinations where the sand was white. Here it's a more yellowish sand. I guess it depends on the type of the island and how it was created a long time ago. But Puerto Rico was conquered or discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1521. That is. Currently it is a part of the United States of America as a overseas territory of the US. And this beach is quite amazing, I cannot lie. One of the best on my journey so far, because it's so calm, without sunbeds, just the palm trees that you can get a shade from, and nobody here. I'm not sure if the beach is closed or not, but the waves also are insane. So it really was great choice to come here despite the difficult roads to get here. Playa Puerta de Tierra. And the sea also here has different colors as well. I think this is the Atlantic Ocean, if I'm not mistaken, because the Caribbean Sea has different colors. I have been on the Atlantic Ocean several times before, and I remember this type of beaches and sand. It's so beautiful. San Juan, Puerto Rico. Chris is here. Woo! All right, so ready, set, and go. Woo! So amazing. I just can't believe I'm swimming in Puerto Rico. It's amazing. It has been fantastic cruise journey so far. Let's see if it ends that way. As tomorrow we are on a private island of the Bahamas, Great Stirrup, owned by the Norwegian cruise line company. So we're gonna be there for 9 hours, it seems, if I'm not mistaken, the longest out of all the stops. But it's a very small island, so I will be able to walk around the island for less than an hour, it seems. And there are also different activities you can do on the island, but I will snorkel and will try to discover as many beautiful fish as possible. But enough about that, let's focus on San Juan, Puerto Rico and Playa Puerta de Tierra. We can see some of the buildings there on the walking street, which has very nice views on the ocean. And ooh, this is a big wave. Woo! Amazing. Ooh, with this wonderful view and this wonderful waves from Playa Puerta de Tierra, it's time to wrap up for now and for me to continue to explore a few more beaches before I need to be back on the ship at 2:30 actually. So greetings from Puerto Rico and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!